Hello guys, my name is Robert. Today I'm playing Magic Ball, and next we're gonna play gaming. Okay, we're gonna make all the parts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Guys, you can save the video on my TikTok. Okay, just play. Now I'm great at game, guys. And now the final game we need to play. We need some chicken gun. Okay, that's a quick game. We're gonna play chicken gun again. And there's I just they have a new update. They have a racing mode and the new kitten mode, and I wish they have a capture flag 2 and 3 because they have a kitten and a cow. And now we're gonna play some racing first. Race. We need to collect some cars and we need the fastest cars. Ooh, they have a new color car. Wait, what happens? It's the same. Okay, I'm gonna buy that. And I need some new tires. Much better, okay? Now I'm gonna check the racing. My first time I'm playing some chicken gun. Okay. And guys, we have a portal in Chapel. And they have you gonna spawn, you can spawn in chicken gun portal. Okay, ready. Um, let me start. Okay, now we're gonna play. They have the new portal you can spawn in only offline mode, not the other modes, online modes. And I was joking, right? No, in Chalo apps you can Chalo house they have a portal and there's the update you can spawn a portal. The new. Okay, now my name is Note7 in Ghana. Look, Note7 and I have a electric gun. And now today we're gonna play. Wait, I'm gonna show you. In Chalo house, the portal you can't spawn. Look, it's small and big. Look, and now they have a new mode. Look, this small. Look like this is a big. Oh, this is small. Okay, what happens? Look like, look, I am a baby cat. What happens? I am grown. This. Oh no, this is big. I need smaller. Okay. Okay, too big. I'm gonna getting bigger. And they have a new. They have a zombie. We gonna playing chicken gun. There no have ending, and I removed the game chicken gun part 7, the ending, and I remove just gaming chicken gun part 7. Now it's part 8. We don't move. They have a new update. I'm gonna search later. And guys, we need to play first. Wait, let me search. Okay, let me see. What's my birth? Okay. Okay, that's the ending, guys. Now I'm gonna play some more fun games. Okay, I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna call this gone wrong. Okay.